Double G, what are you waiting on? What's taking so long? This is worse than watching an episode of The Crockers. You ever gonna get that tiny house done? I don't know. Hey, welcome to Double G's Garage. You're probably sitting back wondering, hey, Double G, what is taking so long to get that Baja back on the road? Hey, I'm as frustrated as you are, but getting parts these days, you order it and it's days later and it's still not shipped, and it's a week later and I still don't have it. So, it's tough times right now trying to get stuff, and I'll show you what I've been waiting on. So here's the big holdup. I've literally been waiting days to get a set of empty valve covers that would have high lift clearance, because the rocker arms that I had on the 1776 here are contacting the stock chrome size valve covers, and I couldn't get enough clearance in there to be able to run the engine. So big shout out to these guys here. It's actually called Mid-Eastern, and they're a truck accessory chrome shop, those kind of things. You're wondering, well, what in the world? They have air-cooled parts too. If you look back here, air-cooled. So I got a big shout out to Wendy over there. Actually, here's the contact information right here. Here's the contact. So these guys here, if you're in the Carolinas or you're a bordering state of the Carolinas, please reach out to these guys. It may not be well known, but they have air-cooled Volkswagen parts, and they are an EMPI distributor. And Wendy over there has helped me out immensely a couple different times here recently, and I'm trying to, keep some purchases local instead of going to the usual big suppliers. They bend over backwards for me, and honestly, I tried to reach out to the usual suppliers out west. Never shipped. Got tired of waiting on it, called Wendy up, and honestly, for not a whole lot of money, next day, $14 really, $14. I got it next day, and they're here, and I'm getting ready to put them on. So big shout out. Like I said, these guys will do you great. If you need some parts, especially EMPI, reach out to them.